Hello and welcome back to the Kitchen Club. So it's a beautiful morning today, but my kitchen and the dining hall is in a complete mess. So I recorded this video on 2nd of January, which was the first working day of the year. After a long vacation, things can get really awkward. So today was that day for me. Finished my morning cooking, husband left for work, we are all done with our breakfast, and as you can see there's a complete mess, and I have challenged myself today to clear up this mess in just 20 minutes. What do you think, guys? Can we do it? Let's see. So the time is 11:30 a.m. now, and let's first begin by clearing off the kitchen countertop. Let's start decluttering the kitchen countertop first. All the leftovers go into small little containers like this so that I can easily put them inside the fridge. Also, all the other stuff like the cheese or milk or whatever is lying outside goes into the fridge. And then it's also time to put back the spice boxes into their respective places. All the things that goes into the pantry goes there as well. Just giving them a quick wipe and keeping them back. And then also it's time to give a quick wipe to all the appliances like blenders and the sandwich makers, etc. I'm just wiping them with a damp cloth before putting them back. Also giving a quick clean up to my little appliances shelf. So this was not cleaned for a while, so I thought I'll just quickly spray some dishwasher liquid plus water solution here and clean it up before putting back the appliances here. Then unloading my dishwasher, I have all the washed utensils in there from the previous day, so giving them a little bit of a wipe and putting them back in their respective places again. I also have some of the dishes hand washed in this basket, so the quickest way to put them back in their places is to just group them together first. The things that go in the same place are grouped together, and then it is easier to move them to their places. So I have grouped everything, and then I will just pick them up and put them in their places, giving a quick wipe with a damp cloth to my dishes basket as well, and that's ready if I need to wash something and dry it again in the basket. Now loading the dishwasher again with soiled dishes. We are already accumulated all the dirty ones in the sink, so it's easier now to grab everything out and load the dishwasher. Now it's time to clear off the mess from the dining area. I got this little basket and I'm going to dump everything which doesn't belong to this place into it, and I can sort this basket out later on when I'm having some free time in hand. So as you can see, the place is getting cleared off really quickly this way. Now let's quickly spray the dishwasher plus water liquid on the dining table and give it a good wipe. I think I have already reached the 20 minutes mark, but it's okay, friends. We just have to clear off the floor and the kitchen countertop. I think I can do it in another 4 or 5 minutes, so that's just okay. I'm putting the hand towel out for washing as well, just making sure that the cushions of the chairs are in place. So the dining table and the dining area as such is all set. The kitchen towel and the kitchen mat goes into laundry now. I will replace it with a new pair. Now let's quickly spray some dishwasher liquid plus water solution throughout in the kitchen countertop and also on the appliances and the kitchen drawers, and then let's wipe it clean with a damp cloth. Now it's time to clean the floor, so I'm just brooming it now, and then I will do a steam mop today. So we are done cleaning the floor as well, cleaning it with a broom first and then doing a quick steam mop. So this is a quicker way to make sure that the floor is clean, I think. And finally, here's the moment of truth. I have taken at least 7 to 8 minutes more than what I had challenged myself. So it's totally up to you now to decide whether I won or lost this challenge. But I'm extremely happy that I was able to wind up all my cleaning as soon as I can. So that's all for today, friends. So my kitchen and the dining hall is clean. Do comment below and let me know what techniques you use to power clean your house, the kitchen, the dining hall, etc. If you like to see more of such cleaning routine videos, do let me know that as well. Hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to the Kitchen Club for more kitchen related videos. I'm working on all of your video requests and I'm going to upload them one by one in the coming weeks. So send in more requests if you have for me, and that's all for today. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care.